Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
So CSV import, we will create a transaction, let's say vendor bill. And first we will be creating a CSV import also. So like there are not any standard template which we can download from the, okay. Basically it's like the fields which we record at the UI level. Oh, we can take that field on Excel like a normal Excel. Yeah. Put the values and then save as a CSV. Okay, you will open a one vendor bill also. Mum, which is yours? Okay. Followed to village 1. First of all, we will take external ID. External ID is for our own purpose. If we are uploading something, we can have a unique ID attached to it. Any unique. Commonly, when I upload this CSV import, I take the unique ID as a date. And next we are going to have the reference number. Then date. Rent. So we have to write that manually, or is it possible to export a blank template? Yes, like I said earlier, when you will export the template from here, you will get the There is no such like, then you can export the template. You can create a saved search with all the fields you need in the template, and then after exporting that, you can use that as in same template. And that's what we can't export the templates. So the thing is, any one-time activity we can do. We have to do this one-time activity manually. Location. So I am going. If you want to include this, we can include also. Approval status. I think we can keep it. I don't think the dash, so details are required. I think we can leave the rest of the details. Now, let's say my external ID is 19th March 24 request status. Now, either we can copy this vendor name exactly, we can take the internal ID of this vendor. So basically, when we are uploading the last like, we normally recommend to take the internal ID, because you might do an error in getting this value. Okay, let's say this is purple. Okay, but in your miss, this particular door after the main system will throw the error. Okay, it has to be the exact match. Right. Okay, so that is what you see on the top right. Yes? So let's see what we do. When we have like during the data migration activity or some large amount of sections. So basically, we first have all the masters downloaded. Okay, vendor master with internal ID. Locations, anything where a drop-down value is available. We download the masters and we prepare the data. Like by Excel formulas, we look up match. And then we have the So I will take this yes. Location I will copy straight away. See one exchange, it is one. Approved. Item. I think for item also we can take the internal. So internal ID is 64. Quantity. Let's say 200. That's what is going to be. Now if I have to upload. The vendor will build with multiple like lines. So I will keep my external ID. Oh, it's true, like okay. Because if I change that, then it will create another transaction. Okay. So I will get my external ID same. Then all these things is going to be same. We'll take another item. See. So my address is 6624. So now let's save it into the CSV. Save up. CSV command delimited. Export. Import CSV port. Export. 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 export it. At export. Export, export. Ex export, ex ex export, 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 export. Spot, export. export, 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 export. Ex- Export, export, sport, export, 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 export. Export, 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 export. Export, export. Ex export, 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 export. Export, export. Export, export. Export, 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 export. Imp export, export. Let's say if you are given a brand new NetSuite account with a client, people usually import chart of accounts itself. Yes, we import from chart of account to all the masters like vendors, customers, employees. So everything is imported. So basically, since the implementation partners have the template with them, standard template, okay. Like for this particular session, we have created, like I added some feed on action, but we usually have all the templates with us. Like let's say if I have to give some, I have to ask for the vendor master from my customer or for the employee master from the customer. So I will give an employee template or a vendor template. But if all the fields, okay, like that template might have 60, 70 fields, which you can see in this particular page and under all this tab. Financial, all these fields, whether they required it or not. Right? So what we give them a template, and normally like from US customer, you can expect that they will get 70%, 80% of the correct data. But in India, they have like so much confusion. You okay? So we have to do validation on ourselves also, on your side also. We have to do the validate. So we have to validate. Okay. So I also, in my view, instead of giving them the complete template, okay, ask them what they require in a particular vendor form. Okay, right? And give them only those fields so they can create the better data for migration. Okay. So everything we have to create, so CSV only item chart of account and customers. Customers, vendors, employees. Everything. Departments, also department locations. If there are so many departments. Right. Right. Also, the chart of account is like a little bit tricky. If I go to the chart of account, for example, you can see these tables, okay. And under this table, it is coming as AP Trade AP. Yeah. So basically, table is a group. Right. Oh. If I open this here, I open this table also. No way, okay. So tables and tables, table is like not coming in any account. Right. But if I go to this, so my AP trade is sub account of tables. It's belonging to tables. Yes. So let's say I take a single CSV uploader. I'm uploading a new uploader where I'm taking the tables also and under all this also. But system will fail. That system will fail in all this AP trade, AP accounts table. Current maturity of long-term debt, bank notes table. Recession notes table. Because yeah. System because it is created in leave, but it is not earlier. So basically, first we have to upload the group accounts. Okay. Once the group accounts are uploaded, then we can upload the subgroups. And for example, under the AP trade, I have another GL. Then I have to do the activity like again. So basically we have to do this. Summary accounts also. One thing is not there. As you can see, summary button. So basically the group of which we take OK, like the GL group we make, we usually don't force in the group. So group is only for the consolidation. Like I created a group accounts table and I want to see under accounts table how much different GS are coming and what's that consolidation as a group. Okay, right. But I don't want to directly post in the group GL. Yeah, so if I don't want to post on the group GL, I will add it and click on this summary. Oh, and if I refresh the account, you can see somebody is now coming in. So now, if I go to my new action build, I want to view the OK. Actually, we will have the expense only. So now you can see this summary account. I put payroll. Payroll is no. Oh, yeah, I can see this 200 here. Now, if I made that as yes, summary account. So now I can see the expense. So now I can see the expense. Oh, so now I can see the expense. 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 Okay. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.